Whoops, I ran into an error while testing my LinMot drive. Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to decipher error messages in LinMot Talk. So right now my drive has the error motion command in wrong state. Now if I want to know what this means, I can always click on this question mark and that will show a description of the error. In this case, I can see that I've sent a motion command while the drive was not in the appropriate operational state to accept this command. I happen to know that my drive was in the homing state when I sent this motion command, which explains the error. The drive also contains a log of recent errors. I can see this by navigating to Errors, and the list of these errors will show up with their attached event times. If I want more information on any of these errors, I can select them and press F1 or the Object Inspector icon in order to see a description. In this case, the 24-volt logic supply was providing too low of a voltage. This could be because I turned off my system. You'll notice that each error has a corresponding event time. These correspond to the drive's operating time when the error was registered. In newer versions of LinMot Talk, the operating time is shown at the bottom of the screen when you're in the error log, next to the title Actual Drive Time. You can also see the drive's current operating time under Variables, Operating Hours, and Time. You can read these variables continuously using the red circle with the clock inside. Knowing the current operating time of 61 hours, I can work backwards to determine when each of these errors must have occurred. For a complete list of errors that you might encounter, you can go to Manuals, Errors, and see a list corresponding to each category of errors with the error code, title, and description. Since this isn't a fatal error, I can acknowledge it to return to operation. This can be done in a few ways. It can be done manually in the drive's control panel. It can be done through the drive's I/O, and it can be done through the field bus if your drive is equipped with one. Note that clearing fatal errors requires the drive to be power cycled. Thanks for watching.